Good morning, everyone. It's iCurly K here. It is Lotto Friday, January 16th, 2026. I love a good Lotto Friday because tickers and contracts are extremely inexpensive because they expire today. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the free trade idea. So, I am on the daily time frame, and what I see on the daily time frame is that we do have this spinning top candle, which is this particular candle right here. Now, because it formed in an obvious downtrend, it signals the potential for a reversal to the upside. But we do have to also keep in mind that on the weekly time frame, we have been aggressively bearish. So we may want to get a continuation down. But on the daily time frame, we do have a bullish reversal candle. So this could actually be the start of a move to the upside. And remember, the day is going to feed into the week. The smaller time frames feed the higher time frames. So things could flip on the higher time frames. So let's go ahead and chart this thing out. Now, I do see that we have a spinning top. And normally when we have a spinning top, there will be things like a two up or two down candle, or sometimes an inside candle. So let's go ahead and see if we have earlier entries on the 4 hour. All right, so we have a two up on the 4 hour time frame. So we have an earlier entry for puts. So let's go ahead and mark that out first. And then let's figure out our magnitude to the downside. So we're looking at 607.59 to the downside. Uh-oh. And that is our ATR target, which lets us know our magnitude, tells us our stopping points, what we should not exceed when it comes to a strike price. So we're going to put PT 4 hour, and let's just squeeze our chart in and see if we have anything else that we need to mark out, and we do. All right, and that will be all to the downside. And now we can go back to the day and figure out our magnitude to the upside. Right. So we're looking at 634.14. Perfect. And our magnitude or our price targets to the upside. All right. So if you've been rocking with me for a while, you can possibly even look at my chart and kind of get an idea of strike prices that you should select and what you should not exceed. And so I'll go ahead and help you, obviously. I would opt for anything in the money and I would not exceed 630 to the upside. Granted, we could get to 634.14, but if we move higher, then just consider yourself getting deeper into the money, making more money, if you will. And then to the downside, I would say anything in the money. I would want to be in the money as soon as possible to the downside. I would obviously or honestly do a 615, no lower than a 610. 615 feels a lot safer, but no lower than 610. And obviously, that's going to make it a little bit less expensive for you. The further out of the money that you go, the more risk you're associating with your contract, and the least or the less expensive that it will actually be. All right, so this is your free trade idea of the day. If you like these videos and want to see them continuously pouring in, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share this with a friend or a family member. I hope to see you in Baggage Claim. Have an amazing day. Bye.